Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. As you can see, we are not in the kitchen today. We are out in the shop, but we still need to eat. So the other day I picked up some nice pork steaks and some little finger length potatoes, multicolored ones. So tonight we're having pork steaks and roasted potatoes with garlic and butter and bacon. So hang around and we'll get to cooking. All right, y'all. I don't know if I got it on videotape or not, but we got our pork steaks here. We season them up with some Danny O's seasoning, the original. Really good stuff. It's low sodium. And we got our taters all prepped here. I'm going to open this pack back up, show you all what we did. Because, like I said, I don't know if the camera was recording or not, and I looked to see if there was a video, and there was no video, so I'm assuming that there is no video getting this ready. So what we got there is our multicolored mini taters. I put like 4 pads of butter in there, some minced garlic, some salt, pepper, and some bacon bits, the real bacon bits. So I'll get this all folded back up, rolled back up. We'll get it out on the grill along with the pork steaks, and we'll get dinner cooking. So y'all hang out and we'll be right back. Alright, y'all. We got them pork steaks there on the grill, and we're going to start cooking. We got taters over here, right there, and of course you can see the 3 pork steaks. But yeah, it's getting late in the evening, but they're going to be delicious. So bring you guys back after we get them cooked up some. Alright, y'all. A little bit of smoke coming out, so let's check on these things. Ooh, they're looking good. A little bit of smoke showing. I've already flipped them once, so let's ooh, yeah, them looking delicious. Oh yeah, awesomeness. Yeah, all right. So, all right, let's let these suckers cook a little more, and we'll get to eating then. All right, y'all, we're back in the house. Let's get these suckers plated up and do our taste test here. So get that on there. Let's get our taters opened up here. Grab our knife. All that roasted garlic. All that smells delicious, y'all. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh yeah. Let's get us a serving utensil here. All right. I'll grab a bunch of that garlic. That might be a little bit much for anybody else, but I love my garlic, y'all. Oh yeah. Put another one on there. Yeah, baby. All right. Now, y'all, it don't get much better than this. So, you know, all right. Where's my knife at? We're gonna cut into this pork steak here. While you all right here. Ooh, that's good and tender. Suppose I should just grab a fork, huh? Oh yeah. Y'all, that is, ooh, perfectly done. Nice and juicy. So, alright, let's go ahead and get up there and do the taste test. Alright, y'all. Don't lose my taters. Alright, y'all. Time for the taste test. So, let's get this done because I'm hungry. So we're gonna start out with tater. Buttery and garlicky. Taste the bacon, smoky bacon. So let's try that pork steak with that Jimmy O's on there, or Danny O's. Sorry, not Jimmy O's, Danny O's. That is such a good pork seasoning. It's good on everything, but it's really good on the pork. So there you have it, y'all. Grilled pork steaks with roasted potatoes with garlic, butter, and bacon. So hope you enjoyed it. Give it a try. Go find you some of that Danny O's. Like I said, I think you can get it at Walmart. So it's really good stuff. Appreciate it, and catch you all on the next one. And as always, bon appetit.